So what question does companies like Amazon actually ask in their DevOps interviews? They definitely don't ask textbook concepts. Let's take a look at one such problem. They can show you this Nginx access log, and the question is, which URLs are throwing the most server errors? So we are going to solve this with awk command. Awk reads the log one line at a time, splits it into fields by whitespace, and lets us pick the pieces we want. What we need from each line is two things: the status code, which helps us to filter the 5xx errors, and the URL, which we need to count and sort so that we can know which URL is throwing most server errors. Now let's label the fields on this log line. First field is the IP. Second and third are the two dashes. Fourth is the timestamp inside brackets. Fifth is the request inside double quotes. That's where the URL lives. Sixth is the status code. And last one is the response size. This looks easy, so the command should be awk filter field 6 for anything starting with 5, print field 5, pipe through sort, unique-c to count, sort-rn to flip descending, head-10. When you run this command, surprisingly, you get nothing. Or even worse, you probably will get completely wrong numbers. Let's understand why. Awk splits by any whitespace, and there's a space inside those brackets, which means awk doesn't see the timestamp as one field. It splits it into two. And the request inside the quotes, that's not one field either. The spaces between method, URL, and protocol make awk treat it as three separate fields. So our labels are wrong. We need to relabel. The timestamp now becomes fields 4 and 5. The request becomes fields 6, 7, and 8. The status code isn't field 6, it's actually field 9. And the URL isn't field 5, it's now field 7. Now let's see the corrected command. Awk matches field 9 against a regex anchored to a 5, prints field 7, pipes through sort, unique-c, sort-rn, head-10. This is the version that gets you to the second stage of interview. Now interviewer asks a follow-up question that you need to think carefully on. What's wrong with awk/500/ on access.log? The issue is that regex matches the string 500 anywhere on the line. It can match in response sizes, URLs, even timestamps that happen to contain 500 are included in result. Basically, you're counting things that you're not supposed to. The fix is to anchor on the field. $9 equals 500 for exact matches, or $9~5 for the whole 5xx family. Eventually, the interviewer learns three things. Do you know awk fields? Do you anchor your regex? And can you tell the difference between matching a line and matching a field?